Hi everyone. Today our agenda is when you click on a Excel cell value and robot needs to create a new sheet. Where this question is raised from a forum, UiPath forum, where Sang wants to click on a cell Excel cell value, and based upon the cell value he needs to create a sheet. Robot needs to create a sheet. I have designed a solution for this one. Let me run this so you will get better understand what I did here. Where this is the my Excel sheet. I am having the multiple rows in a column. So here let me do run. I need to create a sheets like test 1 sheet. I need to create, and test 2, data 3, data 4, based on the cell values. The sheets should be need to be created. So what I'm going to do here, when I click on the test 1 button within a right, I have used the hotkey triggers here. In monitor events I have specified here control and left mouse button. So based upon this button, the bot going to create a cell, bot going to create in a sheet name. Let me run this, guys. 1 second. Yeah, guys, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and share your comments. And also if you have any doubts, please do comment us in below comment section. I will make a videos on that one. Right now we are running our bot. So if I could click on the A7 like this one, if I click on this to the data 6, I have pressed on the like a control. Yeah, if you observe over there, we got an data 6, right? So sheets, let me do thing, let me, so here if I click on the data A4 like data 3, the bot is going to create a data 3 sheet like he wants to there. And if I click on the data 5, bot going to create in a data 5 sheet name. And if I click on the data, A3 cell value test 2, the bot is going to create whatever. It's not only from the sheet 1, you can create from anywhere. Let me do 1 second. Meanwhile we can, here I am going to specify the value is in a test should be like I'm specifying value 1 here. I need to be create a value 1 sheet. So based upon that I am going to I am going to specify this A5 value within a right click, control button. So value 1 should be is created in a sheet name. So this is the I did. And let me explain you here. One is limitation will be there here. I have created for one limitation also. Let me explain you here. Here I have taken a monitor events activity to listen the mouse trigger activities. Here I have specified an Excel application scope where we are going to specify the Excel values. So and after we need to select the in Excel cell, we need to select any Excel cell value. Based upon this Excel cell value, sheets are going to create in the Excel file. So what I have taken here, I have specified the my Excel file name, and I have taken the get selected range. So we need to take one cell value selected. So I have taken the selected range. Based upon the selected range, I am getting the output as an A5, A3, A2, like B1, B2. So based upon that we are going to get the values. If it is in the B position, like B column, we will get an A4 and B4, like we will get. So to avoid that, I will get the value like that. So instead of doing that, I am splitting this value with the comma, and based upon that I am going to take the only first object. So if I place hello sheet 1, I am going to specify here, and when I run the bot, if I click on the hello sheet, the bot is going to create the sheet. And there here I have taken a get text activity, because when he needs to click on this button, bot needs to create the sheet on this value, cell value. So I have taken a get text activity, and here I have changed the some selectors to pass the direct if we run this any direct values. So here I have added the titles and name also. I have passed the wildcard. Right now we are getting is it is an not valid, because we need to specify in a variable called let me check. In the row value, I think we need to specify the cell value. Here if I could specify B5 or sorry B5, then our selector will be validated. One second, cell we are passing over there, and string would be there. No, right, we got an we will able to do it. And if I need to remove that one, and I have taken I have created one empty data table here, temp dt with it is not having any values. I just have created some empty spaces, and based upon this, here we are getting the result value, what is the present in the sheet. So based on this we are going to specify the result would be the sheet name, and the result is the sheet cell value, and temp dt we are going to use. We haven't we have created the earlier temp dt. So this is valid only for one Excel only. When we are doing with only one Excel sheet, it is very useful. But right now if we are running in the same in attended automation, if we run this bot, when you need to stop and you need to update over here. So to overcome that issue, I have created one scenario. Here we are just simply pass the command. When I have taken a parallel activity, and here I am passing one hotkey trigger to provide the Excel sheet name. Dynamically we can able to change everything, sheets or any Excel paths. And here I have taken one input activity. If I press the control control I, it will throws an input dialog box. Here I need to specify the Excel path. Based upon this Excel path, I am going to do some workout here. Here I am specifying the Excel application scope. In Excel application scope, the Excel path will be automatically updated if you specified the new Excel sheet dynamically. So here same thing I have taken what I have did in earlier scenario. Let me run this bot so you will get understand. First we need to specify the our Excel application Excel file name. So based upon Excel file it is going to work. Let me run this. Yeah, bot is working right now. Yeah, here I am going to specify it is in first we need to specify the Excel path. So I have clicked on the control I, so it is asking for me the path. Right now it is in the my directory of the XAML file, so I am specifying directly my partial path of the Excel file. And if I go there and if I click the control left button, the bot is going to create hello sheet. This is the sheet name. What if I have the some Excel folder, like this is the some third another folder. I'm going to open this one, and before that one I'm copying this folder, and I need to specify where the folder, I mean it needs to work over there. Here it is an empty sheet, and right now we are going to create an sheet 5 and sheet 6 we are going to create. Before that one we have changed this test 123 Excel to 123 Excel. So I'm going to specify the Excel path, where is the Excel is located. So here I have pressed the control line, and I need to pass the Excel path. So I am passing over there 123 excel.excel, and here if I could click on the control left button on the sheet name, I mean which on this cell, the bot is going to create the sheet name based on the value sheet 6. Just a second guys, the bot is going to fetch, and let me run. So over there if we got any error, the output will be thrown as an error. So I think might be we are getting any error. Is there any chances? Let me change. We're not getting an error. Yeah, we didn't get any error. See here, if I click on the control left button, the bot is going to create the sheet cycle. Over there if I have the some data like DTG, yeah, if I click on this one with the control left button, the bot is going to create the sheet names. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe and share your comments.